Hello guys, good morning. This is FTS once again. I am not a financial advisor, neither do I give financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. And as we know, past profit do not guarantee future result. The forex market is volatile. As you take your trades, apply risk management. Welcome to the month of July. Today is the 1st of July, and this week as well, we're having NFPs on Thursday. Like we said yesterday, like I said yesterday, on Friday is July 4th, which is United States Independence Day, right? So NFPs and some markets activities on Friday were shifted to Thursday, and the market will likely close. Uh, I think 1:30 New York session 1:30, right? That's when the market for Thursday will likely close after the NFP news. Okay, so today we see that. There'll be a Bank of Canada holiday, right? Yeah, on Canadian Day, Canada Day. Then 10 p.m. 10 a.m. GMT plus one this morning. Euro CPI year on year. So right, yeah. So this is our inflation. You can see, right? So previously it was this, and now and focus, right? It's gonna be this, okay? So we're expecting the outcome of the event, right? If it's above market expectations, then the euro will likely gain strength, and if it's below market expectations, the euro will likely crumble, right? Yeah, market expectation means if what comes out is above 2.0, and we're expecting the euro to gain strength as the news is as the ashfaq comes out. But if it's below 2.0, then we expect euro to fall, right? Yeah. Then today as well, Powell will be giving speech as well, right? So we're expecting that during the New York session. Then we're also expecting ISM manufacturing price, ISM manufacturing PMI. Yeah, the reading for this is normally above 50. If what comes out above 50, that means above market expectations. If it's below 50, that means the economy is contracting. Then we're expecting a fall in the United States dollar, right? Yeah, and yesterday we saw that the United States dollar fell below this. Let's see from the first, right? This is from Europe, but I want to show something from the Forex aspect, right? That is dollar index slumped 10.8% in biggest first half loss since 1973, right? So you can see from here that the dollar index fell, right? Yeah, the first half of the year, right? Um, this was that. So this was yesterday, not today. Today is the beginning of the uh second half of the year, right? Yeah, so that give yesterday's forecast, right? You can see, so dollar index fell yesterday below. So this is the biggest loss from the first half of the year since 1973. So to tell you what's obtaining, right? And we all know the reason why the dollar is slightly falling at the moment, because tariff talks are back again, because this on the 9th of this month, that is where EU and Euro would likely the time that Trump gave to the European Union, right, to extend the discussions. Today was supposed to be the deadline for this for most of the countries that Trump had tariff issues with, right? Yeah, so and most of them are succumbing, some are not succumbing to this tariff stuff, right? So and we all know that since the risk of sentiment is off the table, interest rate is now at the center stage. So right now we're expecting gold to spike, right? And because most of the countries in Europe and most of the GS currency, they are cutting rate, okay? And like we said yesterday, we're expecting a rate cut, 2 to 3 rate cuts from United States this year, right? 2 to 3 rate cuts from United States this year, starting mainly from September, October, November. So, but in this next rate meeting that will happen this month, I don't think it might likely cut rate. Okay, so Trump is bent on cutting rate, and Powell is not even doing anything about it. That's why Powell will likely be replaced. And if Powell will likely be replaced, it means the dollar will have issues for the meantime, the short-term issues until until further notice, right? So for me, seeing the dollar, right, retesting this level, coming down, right? Yeah, okay. That is what I'm saying. I'm seeing the dollar is still coming down, coming to the downside more, right? That is what it is. Dollar is still come to the downside more, right? That is what it is. Dollar is coming to the downside more. that has broken this low, this structure low, right? Yeah, so expecting a little bit of retracement before coming down. Then that's retrace retracement back into this flip zone, right? To this flip zone. Okay. Can see a little bit of retracement into this flip zone and then more push to the downside. Okay. Possibilities will likely happen. Okay. So you can see. This level, I don't know. This was what I marked on from yesterday's weekly market reviews I did, but the way price is moving, price might not get there, right? Price might not get there. That's why I'm marking this one because this is the nearest one. Price might retest this level or here, right, before coming down. But I'm so certain about this place. Okay, yeah, price when that league gets here, then we'll know what to do from there. Okay, and you can see gold is just going up massively, right? Gold is going up massively. Okay, yeah, gold is going up massively. So for me, when gold gets here and when gold gets here, we expect gold to break this level further before we can likely buy gold, right? Yeah, the gold might react by rejecting a little bit for going up, but if it breaks this high, right, then we might likely buy gold further to the upside, right? Yeah. So that is it. Therefore, GPY, um, the analysis I gave was that we're looking at this zone, this flip zone, right? Price breaking this level, then we can likely buy JPY and sell it the yen pairs, right? Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at, and that is still valid, okay? So you can see from here that yen enter seasonal strong month with help from the dollar weakness, right? So the dollar is going down, the yen is getting stronger. So that is how it ought to be, right? Then if you look at the USD JPY, yeah, look at the JPY, right? We had two analyses. Okay, price retesting this high before coming down on price using this previous low as a flip zone, and that's exactly what price did. And price is likely gradually coming down. Okay, so price might also retest this level again. Okay, before coming down possibility. So let's just have a possibility that price may likely retest that level and come down, right? And the major pairs, as we all know, as the United States dollar is would like to do the retracement, they will likely sell as well, right? Yeah, and that major pair is the one that has USD as the quote side. Okay, that is what to expect. So for this place is possible, and also here also we see it possible. Okay, just a minute. So this is what I'm looking at, right? So expect price to come here, and like I said, price might tap into this eternal liquidity that is here, right? Or price might just use this place as break of structure, and continue the upward move because the dollar is a downward move, right? So you can see from here as well, right? You can see from this high, right? So this zone is still valid, okay? But for USCHF, I'm no longer interested in that. I'm not interested in that pair. Honestly, I'm not interested in that pair. I don't normally trade that pair because Swiss itself is not it's a stable economy. Switzerland is a stable economy, right? So it's mainly useful during risk on market sentiment, okay? They're not on risk off basis, okay? USD card today we have a card holiday, right? Yeah, so that is a Euro USD. I don't think this level is possible anymore. I'm not buying it on that. Yeah, I'm not trading that. Okay, so flip zone here or here, it'll be two. Okay, either of them days or you know, all yeah. So these are the possible levels the price will likely come to before making the move to the upside. Okay, yeah. Then G same as that. Okay, this zone is still valid for G. Okay, this is still valid, and this I don't think so. Don't think so for that. I don't think so for Aussie. Okay, we were still in place. Aussie, this my actually play. This might level might actually be what it is. Then this one as well can also play at two. Looking at this, sorry. Um, take it out and draw the one. Then these two, yeah. Yeah, so these are the possible levels that price might hit and price might likely move from there. So I'm going to watch the DSY, right? Yeah, and see how this whole thing will likely play out. Okay. Yeah. So that is it for me this morning. Okay. If you know you've not raised that, if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, like, subscribe and share so that others can benefit from this, right? Yeah. So that's it for me this morning. My daily market reviews. Okay. Yeah. Have a nice day. Thank you.